Hello, it's a beautiful day today to fish. So we came to fish here, see if we can catch anything. Look how peaceful and beautiful it is. I live in a rural area, so it's nice around here. As you can see, a lot of nature here. But today is like a perfect day. It has been so cold here in the middle of the States. But I'm just gonna let you guys see this, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Very peaceful. This is a spot where we come and we just love to fish here. It's just nice. And I'm talking to you guys here. I'm just taking some photos of this very nice view. Look how peaceful it is. I love it. So yeah, like I was telling you guys, today is a good day to fish. And so that's what we came to do. What are you guys doing today? Today is Friday, the 22nd. It's May 2020. I said 2020. 2020 is what I meant. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying now, but anyway, look at that view on the other side. Very peaceful. I don't know if you guys can hear the sounds of the birds and the water and the wind, and everything is just beautiful. Yep. So a good day to fish today. Hope we can catch something. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. I love nature. So yeah, guys, I'll let you know if we caught anything. There you go. And actually, I was gonna end the video, but I saw a bunch of ducks over there, so I think I'm just gonna walk over there and see if I can videotape them. See if I can take video of them. Look guys, how beautiful is this? I gotta snap another photo of this view here. I love that I can take photos while I'm just recording. So I saw a big family of ducks here, but I don't know, they might just run away when they see me approaching. But there's a bunch of babies. See if I can do a close-up, because I don't want to get too close and then I don't know, what if they chase me or something. Let me see. There you go, guys. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to scare them off, so I just wanted to show you guys this. So beautiful. I don't want to scare them, so I'm not going to get any closer. I just wanted you guys to enjoy this view. If you guys love nature, I'm sure you will enjoy this. So today, this is just a day in my life. Like I said, just a good day for fishing, guys. Just so you guys can get to know me a little bit and you know, just know the stuff that the things that I enjoy to do besides everything else I share on my channel. This is one of the things. We just love nature and fishing, and yeah, it's just beautiful things in life. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Please comment if you like this video, or hey, I would love to see a video of where you live and what you love to do. All right, thanks. Bye.